Symptoms of a bad body control module. Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Auto Repair here, and today we're going to learn about the symptoms of a bad body control module, BCM. What is the body control module, BCM? The BCM is responsible for controlling the electrical accessory systems in your car. It manages features like the anti-theft system, instrument cluster, windows, and more. Where is the BCM located? The location of the BCM can vary depending on your vehicle. It might be on the driver's side, to the left of the brake pedal, behind the dashboard, under the center console. Symptoms of a bad body control module. The symptoms of a faulty BCM depend on how it has been affected. It could be due to corrosion in a specific circuit, which may allow only some accessories to work, or a complete failure that disables all accessories. Here are the main symptoms to watch for. 1. Check engine light on. A faulty BCM can trigger your check engine light. Multiple codes related to the BCM and the circuits it controls may appear. The most common code associated with BCM failure is U140, indicating no communication with the BCM. Before assuming the BCM is faulty, inspect for torn wires or corroded connectors, as these can also trigger the code. 2. Accessories not working properly. Electrical accessories may act strangely or dysfunctionally. For example, turning on high beams may cause windows to roll down. Activating the left turn signal might make the car honk. These unusual behaviors indicate the BCM is not functioning correctly. 3. Only certain accessories may stop working while others continue to function normally. For instance, wipers, locks, and windows may fail, but other components operate without issues. 4. No crank, no start. A faulty BCM can lose communication with the engine control module, ECM. This loss of communication can prevent the car from starting. Troubleshooting tips before replacing the BCM. Check the following. Blown fuses. Torn wires. Known corrosion on connectors and pins. Water intrusion can lead to corrosion, causing BCM issues. In some cases, you can fix the problem by cleaning the connectors. Use an electrical cleaning spray for this purpose. If this video helped you diagnose your car problems, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.